2025 Prelim MGS Paper 1 Booklet A, Question 9. The pie chart below represents the number of fruits at a fruit store. There are 300 fruits at the fruit store. There are twice as many apples as oranges. How many pears are there? Okay, we can see that orange is 90 degrees, okay, which means that this is 1/4 of the pie. Now, given that oranges is given in the denominator of 12, let's convert this to 12 as well. Okay, 3/12. Now, there are twice as many apples as oranges. So 2 times of orange, which means that apple is half the pie chart. Okay, and we can convert this to 6/12. Now, can we find pears? Okay, fraction of pears equals to 12/12 minus mango minus apple minus oranges. Okay, this will give us 2/12, which is 1/6. Right, and we know that there are in total 300 fruits at the fruit store. So we can now find number of pears, which is equals to 1/6 times 300. Okay, 50. Yeah, our answer is 50. There are 50 pears. Option 2.